Did you know that the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI, has been one of the most significant technological advancements of recent times? AI has the potential to transform various industries, including finance and cryptography. In the world of crypto, AI has become increasingly popular for enhancing security, automating processes, and optimizing trading strategies. AI algorithms can help detect fraud and cybersecurity threats, improving the security of crypto platforms. Hi guys, I have brought you the newest and hottest crypto project, which is actually an AI bot. Yes, I am talking about Tebag, an AI bot. In this video, I will be talking about what is Tebag, how exactly it works, and what is going to be its future. You are watching Crypto University, where you can get the latest updates on all things crypto, NFTs, and blockchain related. Stay in for a fun and informative experience. Remember, we will never request your personal information or contact you through WhatsApp. Beware of any potential scams or spam comments in the comments section. Be sure to watch the full video and show your support by liking if you enjoyed the content. Without further delay, let us continue. Tehbag Coin is a revolutionary project that aims to create a decentralized and transparent platform for online gaming and gambling. Tehbag Coin uses blockchain technology to ensure fair and secure transactions, as well as to reward users for their participation and loyalty. AI-powered trading bots can analyze market trends and execute trades in real time, enabling investors to make informed decisions and maximize profits. The exciting thing is that AI continues to evolve, and we can expect to see even more innovative use cases of this powerful technology in the crypto world and beyond. What is the Tebag? Tebag is a platform that uses Bagbot, an AI bot that is fully autonomous and decentralized live mentions and rating bot for crypto communities. It is a project that helps users to find when to invest and where to invest. This project introduced its own coin, or you could say token, called $Bag. We will discuss its token soon in the video. This platform also has its own NFT collection and lets you mint. First, let me tell you how the bot works. How Bagbot works. This AI-based system learns from successful projects, analyzes social media in real time, fights FUD, and keeps track of best-performing influencers and communities. Powered by an advanced neural network system, Bagbot empowers the community and guides its force. It is a bot embedded in Telegram. The features Bagbot provides are near real-time social media scanning. Using neural networks, Bagbot continuously monitors the main platforms for trending hashtags and cash tags. It compares the performance of multiple hashtags and outputs actionable tasks to achieve the necessary milestones to reach its target exposure. Points of interest engagement. Bagbot also scans potential points of interest, tweets, posts, groups, etc., and uses the community to engage with them. Based on the sentiment of the POI, Bagbot can also suggest the best content to engage with, using battle-tested generative AI to amplify good sentiments or combat bad ones. Automatic incentivization. No one likes to work for free. That is why this AI-powered bot also takes care of incentivizing all these activities. Resource allocation is a difficult task, but its algorithm has shown itself to be useful in solving it. Buybacks, burns, cash prizes, token airdrops, and more are all part of the reward plan. Creating targets. Bagbot creates a target of likes, retweets, mentions, comments, and many more things to keep the community always engaged, both on Twitter and Telegram. According to the official website, 76% of the projects which used the Bagbot experienced 50 to 450% growth. Tebag's NFT and utilities. Tebag launched its NFT collection, which was up for minting on the 16th of March 2023. It had 2,777 pieces and was minted at 0.07 ETH. NFT is a rarity in TEM movement. As with many NFT collections, this collection will also feature a special set of attributes based on the specific NFT you are holding. Every single bag NFT is special and has tailor-made, manually crafted matching attributes. The most important attribute that characterizes each bag is its color. All bags are either green, silver, or gold. Golden bags consist of less than 0.5% of the total collection. Silver bags consist of less than 4% of the total collection. The rest of the collection is made up of green bags. As for the utilities, TEM Movement has these utilities. Tweet to earn. You can get paid in $ETH or other tokens just by tweeting. Bag affiliate marketing. Refer new projects to Bagbot and get a share of the revenue. Airdrop Hub. Be eligible for many airdrops simply by holding Bag NFT or Bag Coin. Exclusive club, where you can show off your bag and enjoy high-quality discussions. Tebag's Bag token. First, let's take an overview of the coin, and then we will discuss the price prediction for the year 2023. The coin's name is Tebag. The symbol of the coin is $Bag. It is valued in USD currently at $0.0043 in early April of 2023. The market cap of the Bag coin is $4,258,295. The total supply is 984,771,629 coins. Although on the 6th of March, Bag coin went to its all-time high price of $0.03, but it has seen a decline. It remained at around $0.02 for the whole of March. The decline is only temporary. As for the price prediction for the year 2023, there are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for Bag's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 can end with an average price of $0.029 and a minimum price value of $0.028. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $0.031. Is the Tebag a good investment? Many experts and traders believe that the Tebag has been a great investment for a long time. Surprisingly, the value is increasing. Therefore, it is guaranteed that the investment will yield a good return. How much will the Tebag be worth in 2025? Many platforms and analysts think that the price of Tebag will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the $0.13 mark by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems like a stretch, you never know. Bag and other cryptocurrencies are very volatile and can change direction at any time. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.